Hello everyone, I am Sushant Khetrapal, the commentator, bringing in some clips from the 62nd National Roller Skating Championship 2024. If you would like me to include clips
Points,
from
ring
the same or
6.
other
The
championships,
gold
tell me in the comments or the
by
email.
the gold won by KA45. Sai Rishmi H from Karnataka. Abhinav Vimal gets the silver and Dhruva Arwan wins the bronze medal. In the meanwhile, the 9 to 11 cadet girls. The finalists are Spruha Nilesh Jadhav, S. Adhira, Bhavya Singh, Rishita Yogesh Narale, Kunchi Parthi Ojaswi, Kavya Yadav, Vidushi Rajput, and Vivilya Malarinian A. In action now. It's the finals of 9 to 11 girls. Ring 6. Delhi leading. Closely followed. Delhi leading. DL50. Kavya Yadav. Tamil Nadu closely following. Uttar Pradesh going slow, but it's not going to be the same because the attack comes from AP. The attack's coming in from AP. AP 5-2. AP 5-2. Kunchi Parthi Ojaswi from the fourth position is now moved to the second now. Delhi still leading. DL50 Kavya Yadav still leading. In the second position is AP. Attack coming in. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. Attacks coming in from all directions. Delhi. DL50. Will she be able to manage? Will she able to continue with her lead? No, there's attack coming in from inside and there's a change in the order. Inside, outside, both the skaters moving in. The last lap about to start and there they go. MH now. It's Maharashtra. Maharashtra 53. Spruha Nilesh Jadhav. Spruha going in full speed. Full steam ahead. There she goes. MH 53. Spruha Nilesh Jadhav. Last couple of meters left. Last couple of meters left and MH53. MH53, I believe. But still, we'll wait for the official results.